Hey, come here, guys. Come here. I bet it wasn't that long ago you're thinking to yourself, CNC table must be nice. I can afford that. You'd be right if it was 2005, but it's not 2005, and you can't afford one of these. All right, this is from Tracker CNC. It's their pro table. And again, they come in all kinds of sizes. Now, we chose the 4x4 table. It's gonna work perfect if you're, if you're a shop guy, garage guy. This thing, under $9 grand, you have this whole setup at your house, cutting up to an inch thick material, all right, mild steel, within an hour of delivery. That's impressive. And again, if you want something bigger, imagine if you're doing HVAC or a lot of metal fabrication, probably pick up a bigger table to go 5x10. And like I said, man, these things are unbelievable. Easy to set up, easy to navigate, easy to use. It's intuitive. And guess what? There's no subscription fees, no hidden costs. You pay them once and you got customer support for the rest of your life. You own that table. Isn't that impressive? I'd say so. And right here, what I've done, all right, now I've got that unibody frame, and I need to tie that K member to it. So how am I gonna do that? With this bracket right here. All right, so I got the passenger side done, and I'll cut out, but I don't have time to show you guys what we're gonna do to the driver's side. So this is gonna tether that K member to the unibody. And the best part about this setup, it's as easy as D, as in do it and enter. So D, and then enter to do it. What's really cool is you can follow the progress as it's cutting, right? So you know when your part's done, and you can just follow it on a monitor, or you can just look at it. Pretty cool. Done. All right, there you have it, not too bad. We'll bend that up, right? Tether that unibody and that K member together, courtesy of our little Tracker CNC Pro table.